Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Jio SIM is active and mobile data, or hotspot, is enabled on the source device. Once done, open settings and go straight to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Look for an SSID that contains Jio Net or JioFi in the list. This is the network you want to see. Make sure your viewing device's Wi-Fi is toggled on. This step discovers the network so you can connect or proceed to login. Next, you scan the visible networks and inspect the Jio Net entry closely. Select the SSID and check whether it prompts for a password, opens a captive portal, or simply connects. If you don't see Jio Net, make sure the source device's hotspot is discoverable. Sometimes you must toggle hotspot off and on. If the SSID is hidden, add it manually using the exact name and security type. This lets your device discover the network even when it won't broadcast. Finally, connect by entering the hotspot password or completing the captive portal login. You'll see connected status when successful. If the network doesn't appear, restart the hotspot device and your phone, then rescan. Often a reboot resolves discovery issues. Make sure the Jio SIM has data balance and correct APN settings if you still can't access the internet. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on the viewing device for 5 seconds to refresh radio stacks before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.